welcome to my channel. I'm Chosen. Today I have brought for you this product here. We are going to unbox the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. Those that are ready to make the vlogs, that want to make travel videos, that want to make tourism videos, all that you need this product here. So we are going to unbox, want to see what is inside here, what is contained there when you buy, and how much and where will you find it. So thank you. So this is our product, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So we want to unbox and we see what is inside. So there we go. So this is our box, and before we go on, it is telling us here that we have in the box, we have the Osmo Pocket 3, the protective cover, the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, the handle with a 1/4 thread. Then we have the battery handle, we have the mini tripod, we have the Type-C PD cable, we have the carrying bag, DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, we have the DJI Mic 2 windscreen, the wide angle lens, and the DJI wrist strap. So it means all these must be found inside there. So there we go. Yeah, most of the original items you have to find these. Yes, they have to be there. Then of course the user manuals, what all that is needed, you have to find them there. Then we start our products. So in our box we find we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We have to confirm, yes. Then we have the protective cover. Yes, this is for protection. And then we have the DJI transmitter. This is a microphone transmitter. So we have the handle. We have the handle here. So we have the battery handle also. Then we have the mini tripod. We have the Type-C. This is a wrist strap. Then we have the carrying bag. Yes, this one is the one that you find all the items and you can carry in this bag here. And then we have the magnet clip for the microphone. And then we have the wide angle lens, yeah, for the camera. And lastly, the wind screen for the microphone. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Chosen.